Dr. Milling Tania completed her Bachelor of Dental Surgery (BDS) from Tamil Nadu, Drive. MGR Medical University, India, in 2005 and her Master of Dental Surgery (MDS) in Orthodontics from the same university in 2009. She has been in academics and clinical practice for the past 13 years. Her areas of interest are temporary anchorage devices in orthodontics, management of skeletal malocclusion, and adult orthodontics. She is the peer reviewer of the Journal of Indian Dental Association Tamil Nadu. She has set up the state-of-the-art dental center, Darshan Dental and Orthodontic Center, in Kanyakumari, India. She has several national and international publications to her credit. She has lectured in several national conferences. Currently, she is the professor and head of the Department of Orthodontics and Dentofacial Orthopaedics at Raj's Dental College, Tirunelveli, India.